everyone. Okay, so this is just a very quick video on how to set up and reset your throttle body if you've done any throttle body cleaning or cleaning your mass airflow sensor, anything like that. I'll be honest with you, I've done both and haven't needed to do this, but sometimes you may need to. So the idea here is that Nissan and Infiniti use a program called Consult. I always have trouble saying that. I've done like 3 takes with this, and I have problems saying that. I don't know why. Anyways, Consult. So they hook up to the car, and you can actually buy a version of this program, but it's a little bit pricey, and that's how you can do the reset. But if you don't have it, there is a way to go about it. So over here you have your air box, battery, air box. There's your mass airflow sensor, and right there is your throttle body. So with your engine cool, you're going to start up the car and run it till the engine gets warm, and then shut it off. I'll go through the exact procedure for you, and this will help to kind of reprogram your throttle body. All right, and so here's the deal. When you start up a car, first make sure your car is cool. It has to be less than 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, there goes my lights. And the car has to be pretty much cool. You start up the car and let it run and warm up. Don't rev it. Don't go for a drive. Just start the car and let it run. Let it idle till it gets to 65 degrees Celsius, which is 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Best way to do this is if you get an ODB reader that can give you engine temperature and stuff. You can hook that up right to your ODB 2 meter, which is just down below there. And you can actually monitor your temperature of your car. If not, you can kind of wait till the temperature gets up to right around just past the halfway point. I don't know the exact number here, but if you want, you really should be accurate with your numbers. So having like a Bluetooth ODB2 or something like that would be beneficial. You run it until it gets to that temperature, and then you turn off the car and wait 10 seconds. When you do that, you head out, get around to where your throttle body is, and you listen, and you should hear like a click. And you may hear 1 click, you may hear 2 or 3, and that tells you the throttle body is reset and is accepted and it's working. That confirms everything's going. And from there, technically, it should be reset. This is without using the Nissan Infiniti Consult program. All right, so here we go. I'm just foot on the brake. Going to start up the car now. Everything up and running. I got my summer tires on, so that's why you're getting that area there. And you can see the car temperature is nice and low because the car is cooled. So I'm going to pause it. Low fuel. That's okay. I'm going to pause it, come back when this has gone up a bit, and then we will go and check the throttle body. All right, so the car's been running here for a little bit. Oh, let's get that fixed. There. Autofocus. Oh, there we go. Not sure why the autofocus is being kind of weird right now. Anywho, you can see over here, temperature is now reading at 77 degrees Celsius. So we're good to take a look. So I'm going to shut the car off now and try and get right over to the throttle body and see if we can hear that click. All right, here we go. Did you hear it? I don't know if you did. Hopefully you caught it. There's a little click there. If you hear that, that means you should have reset and reprogrammed your throttle body. You may have to do this a couple times, but overall, that should be all you need, and you'll be good to go. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. I do appreciate all the support out there. Don't forget to throw a like on that video if it helped you, if you found the information useful, anything like that. Make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, help the channel grow, and hit the notification if you want to see more of my videos. If you dislike the video, that's okay, no problem at all, but don't be a troll, alright? Make sure you put why in the comments. I mean, maybe I missed something, maybe I got something wrong, maybe there's something you feel better, or you didn't like how I filmed. Whatever it is, put it in there. I make these videos to help people out, so I can only make it better if I get the feedback, but I need the feedback. Just don't be trolling, alright? Otherwise, if you have any other comments, feel free to do so. I answer questions whenever I can. If you want to add something on there, if you have a helpful tip that maybe I didn't cover, I didn't even know about, make sure to put that in the comments as well. I want to thank everyone, and I will see you all next video.